Hi there. Today I'm going to give you a few tips to help improve your singing. These are some things that can help anyone who loves to sing, whether they are a beginner or an expert. So let's get started. First, let's start with singing on pitch. There's so much to think about when you're singing, and singing the correct note, or pitch as it's called in music, is one of the best places to start. When someone listens to you sing and tells you you're pitchy or off pitch, they are telling you the note you are trying to sing may either be a little high or a little low than the pitch you want to sing. Sometimes our ears don't hear what we're really singing. It might take someone listening to you to give you feedback about that. Or, if you hear the dogs howling in your room while you're singing, well, that might be a clue too. Next, we want to make sure that we are breathing correctly. Vocal teachers tell students to sing from their diaphragm, and that's the muscle in your body that helps control your breathing. They are really telling you to breathe deeply and not use your shoulders or chest to breathe, but let your lung muscles, the diaphragm, do all the work instead. So if your shoulders are moving up and down when you're breathing, you're not breathing from your diaphragm. But if your tummy pops out a little bit when you breathe, you are breathing the right way. Next, we want to make sure the words we sing are clear and understandable. This is called diction. Singing is no good if no one knows what the words are that you're singing. Spend a little time practicing the words and making sure you sing all the consonants and syllables very clear and precisely. Finally, take care of your voice and don't push it too hard. Your vocal cords are your own personal instrument, and like any instrument, you want to take care of them. So singing too high or too loudly can damage them. Screaming at football or basketball games is also not a good idea. If your throat is sore or it's uncomfortable when you sing or talk, it would be a good idea to give your voice a rest for a little while so you don't develop blisters or nodes on your vocal cords. Those are painful and are a sign that you are over-singing. So, well, there you have it. A few short tips to help everyone improve their singing. So, go out and sing and have a great day, and keep on making music.